Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making roasted cauliflower steak with Gournay cheese sauce. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by removing outer leaves from the head of the cauliflower. Leave the stem at the bottom so it helps the steak hold together. Slice the cauliflower into 3/4 inch steaks. Don't discard the remaining florets. Use them or reserve them to use them with other recipes. Meanwhile, we're gonna grease our baking sheet with a cooking spray, then place the cauliflower steaks on a baking sheet. Now we're gonna move on to make the seasoning. In a medium bowl, combine white pepper along with turmeric, we are also adding in garlic powder, add olive oil and mix until well combined. Add salt and mix well. Lightly brush the steaks with olive oil mixture on both sides. Then we're gonna roast them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them and continue to roast them until they're fork tender. Guys, have you tried cauliflower steak yet? If not, I hope you'll give this recipe a try. While cauliflower can be a hearty main dish, it's also excellent as a side dish, especially if you have a lighter meal. Now guys, let's move on to make our Gournay cheese. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, we're gonna add heavy cream. As soon as it starts scalding, we're gonna go ahead and add Gournay cheese. Stir the mixture until fully combined and smooth. This whole process will take only 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Then we're gonna add parsley and our sauce is ready. Our cauliflower is out of the oven, guys. It looks so amazing. The roasted cauliflower are tender on the inside and crisp on the outside. And while the flavor turmeric offers is huge and its color is just as remarkable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and to leave a comment. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.